Your Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chicago Wendler.
We're just over a week away from astronomical winter, the solstice, tracking what you can expect up until then, plus a sneak peek at Christmas week. Before we look ahead to Christmas week, let's talk about today's crazy cold front on the way. Well, we started off the day with patchy areas of drizzle, a few showers. Some of those are still around, and dense fog. A dense fog advisory was allowed to expire at 11 a.m., but you can still see there are some limited visibilities. Those skies should be clearing, though, as a cold front works its way. It's already in the hill country, pushing off toward the east through the rest of this afternoon. We may see some limited sunshine, and that might be enough to actually propel temperatures into the 60s. As of 12:26 this afternoon, 57 degrees, still a lot of clouds, especially across downtown Austin. What to expect? Fog and showers ahead of the front, gusty winds behind it. Talking hold on to your hats and make sure your Christmas decorations are secured kind of thing. Elevated fire danger as well, especially for the western hill country. And by morning tomorrow, waking up to temps in the 30s with wind chills in the 20s. All right, visibilities really clearing out quickly for the western half of our area. No issues whatsoever in the hill country. Visibility is improving, I-35, and still some patchy areas of more dense fog once you head toward the east. All of that moving out along with our rain chances. Most areas just picking up between a trace to a tenth of an inch of rain. A little bit heavier as you head through eastern Williamson County and toward Milam County, but the general trend is a drying trend as well as a cloud clearing trend. As you can see, last 24 hours rainfall totals have been meager at best. Up near Florence, 5/100ths of an inch. Most other areas, just 1/100th of an inch, if that. And we need the rain. This month, only 7/100ths, puts us close to an inch below normal for the month. And as we're rounding out the year, nearly 2 inches below normal on rain. Drought monitor, of course, showing how much we do need that rain. Moderate to extreme drought across our area. And the upcoming week, not looking very favorable. Rain totals probably going to be 1/4 of an inch or less. Our next rain chance after today's leftovers doesn't arrive until overnight Friday night into early Saturday morning. In the meantime, a red flag warning will be in effect until 6 p.m. for Llano and Gillespie counties. That's because of the strong winds combining with low relative humidity and sunshine developing. Rapid fires could spread quickly. So, my advice, avoid any outdoor burning, not only in the counties shaded in pink, but across all of the CBS Austin area. And there are numerous burn bans still in effect. So today is not the day. Fire danger forecast, even higher fire danger, extreme fire danger once you head out toward the Big Bend. Needless to say, today is going to be a hold onto your hats kind of day. Now, first half of the day has not been too bad. Winds really picking up late afternoon and into the early evening hours. Anything that's not held down could blow away. Tree limbs can't be ruled out of maybe seeing some of those come crashing down, and an isolated power outage possible. I think most of the gusts will probably peak at around 40 to 45 miles per hour, so not looking for widespread wind damage. Peak gusts so far through midday, about 21 miles per hour in Llano and Burnett, and 31 miles per hour in Fredericksburg. Those gusts will continue to increase as this front works its way through our area. Meantime, you can see the clouds clearing. It's sunny out in the western hill country. Clouds and showers should clear from west to east as this system rotates through, and temperatures will respond. Look at Fredericksburg, 12 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. So while we are dealing with rain, have you seen the pictures from the Panhandle and into Oklahoma? It's snowing there. As for storm potential, a slight risk of scattered severe thunderstorms for areas east of Houston out into southwest Louisiana. Temperatures, it's only 27 in Amarillo, while it's 57 in Austin and 70 in San Antonio. Look at that, 81 degrees in Corpus. So very big contrast. And of course, the snow is flying. In Oklahoma City, it's 33. They had a record snowfall of around 3 inches. It's now pushing through Tulsa and on into portions of Missouri and northwest Arkansas. For the rest of today, look for skies to start clearing. Temperatures will bump. Winds cranking up as well, turning to the northwest 15 to 30 miles per hour. We're just about done with our rain. You can see it kind of clearing from our latest high-resolution computer model. As we work through the afternoon, we should see abundant sunshine, and then look for some more cloud cover to peek back in this evening. That means tonight, for the peak of the Geminid Meteor Shower, you may have to dodge some clouds, but skies should be mainly clear after about 2 a.m., so do look for good viewing, especially Austin Austin points west through the hill country if you're planning on going out, bundling up and enjoying the meteor shower, which should be a good one. Rainfall totals very meager from here on out. Can't rule out maybe 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch out toward Highway 77. Another computer model kind of giving you a feel for temperatures and where they will be heading. Afternoon temps into the mid-60s in Austin, closer to 70 toward the south and toward the east. Then overnight tonight, a big drop by around 4 a.m., which will be roughly peak viewing for the meteor shower. 35 in Fredericksburg, 37 in Austin, 39 in LaGrange. You can subtract about 5 degrees or more for the wind chill just because of those strong gusty winds out of the northwest, around 10 to 15, even 20 miles per hour overnight. Then toward morning, temperatures in the 30s, area-wide, wind chills in the 20s. And as we work our way through your day on Monday, not much of a warm-up, only a high of 56 degrees despite all kinds of sunshine. Then as we head toward Tuesday, we'll see a few more clouds move in. So peak of the Geminid Meteor Shower, which is the best shower of the year, the most reliable 60 meteors per hour possible. Well, the peak is overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Again, evening clouds can't be ruled out, but should be mainly clear after 2 a.m. If you don't mind the cold, it'll be worth a look. Morning lows could drop into the upper 20s in Mason and Fredericksburg, 30s everywhere else. Look for a freeze in the hill country, feeling like 20s with the wind chill, right around 35 in Austin, 33 Georgetown, and 37 in LaGrange. Here's your forecast for Monday as we see sunshine all day long, north to northeast winds, not nearly as strong, and a high of just 56 degrees. That's here in Austin, 54 in Fredericksburg, and right around 52 in Rockdale. As for those temperatures, we'll bump back up into the 60s on Tuesday, followed by a dry cold front that drops us back down into the 50s. Then another warm up as we head toward the end of the week. As for those lows, don't look now. It's going to be cold every morning, but we could see a freeze even in Austin by Thursday morning, which means a widespread hard freeze likely everywhere else. All right, now here is your sneak peek at next week and, of course, the Christmas holiday forecast. Precip outlook, we should be right in the middle. Not wetter, not drier, near normal precipitation expected. I will tell you computer models are pretty inconsistent. There's a suggestion there may be a cold front roughly around the 23rd or 24th. And if we're on the back side of that on Christmas Day, it could be breezy and brisk. But at this point, Christmas Day itself is looking dry. As for temperatures, I do think we could see some dips next week, but I think overall the week should trend at or slightly above normal as far as temperatures are concerned. Of course, we'll fine tune that as we get a little bit closer. By the way, we want you to stay weather aware with the wind, with all of this stuff going on. You can always search our CBS Austin weather app, download it so you'll be able to check in on the weather on the go. Here's your 7-day forecast. As mentioned, ups and downs, no 70s, no 80s this go around, but we've got 30s in place every single day for low temperatures. So early morning Saturday, actually going to be a mild low after seeing a stretch of 30s for morning lows, and those high temperatures up and down between the 50s and the 60s. All right, that is your latest forecast. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and Avery Tomasco will have an update tonight on CBS Austin News. Take care.